Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Adobe aka Golden Akara, and you are welcome to this side of the internet. Guys, yes, I have been missing for 2 or 3 weeks as always. To be honest, I really don't have any excuse as always. I've said as always twice now, but yeah, you guys get the point. To be honest, YouTube is not paying me. So I am doing this out of the goodness of my heart because I said, let me share what the world looks like through my eyes, and that is what I'm gonna do. I already made a resolution that I'm not gonna rush content, and I'm just gonna give my most authentic self to you guys. So that's the reason why I will post as I see fit, but that doesn't mean I shouldn't be consistent, because I know some of you guys would like to see more, and I'm trying my best, trust me. It's just that I sometimes don't have the time. I am currently job hunting, and like, just imagine being an adult, job hunting, working on the side, doing all the bobo tibo, and then you're now being a YouTuber on top. God, it's extra. And honestly, it takes a lot of strength and courage to actually do this, because it's not for the money. It's passion. Until my passion starts paying me, I cannot say, let me abandon the other things I have in my life and come and be filming for you guys full time. So please bear with me. Anyway, we're going hiking today, if you couldn't tell from the title of the video, or basically like the video itself. But yes, we're going hiking, and I just wanted to do this voiceover in the beginning of this I was gonna say show, but yeah, in the beginning of the vlog, because I didn't want it to be too boring, because I didn't shoot an intro for this. It was just let's go. And me, I slept late that night, so I woke up in the morning half asleep, getting dressed. So before further ado, before I use my voice to over talk, I really wanted this vlog to be a chilled and healing vlog. So I am going to include some of my favorite Bible verses so that you guys could read along and just have like a very chilled time while watching this video. I hope you love this video as much as I do. So yeah, let me just stop talking now. Bye, enjoy.
Very slippery, be careful. here. She's scared of dogs. What are you saying? Yeah, it's in here.